He rose before the camera as Okonkwo, strong, unyielding, haunted by the fear of failure. Pete Edochie's performance in Things Fall Apart wasn't just acting. It was embodiment, the birth of an archetype, the face of Igbo stoicism, a man wrestling not just with tradition, but with the changing winds of history. How did you get to become Okonkwo?
First of all, a professor did a review and he said he had a very strong belief that Chinua projected into the future, saw me and wrote Things Fall Apart. When Chinua watched the film, he said, Pete Edochie gave that role the interpretation after my heart. And the biggest recommendation you can get from anybody, particularly an author who wrote the book. I saw myself as Okonkwo while I was reading the book.
But do you believe Okonkwo's tragedy is relevant to the Igbo society today? That is, he's taking his own life.
If you hurt the Igbo man once in politics, that's it. He will never give you an opportunity to hurt him again. The Igbo man is not constituted to condone treachery a second time. No.
The idea of Christianity, large parts of it was taken from Igbo land.
What I believe is that you can consult both of them and make the intercession stronger.
So you're actually the perfect. This is why I say you are Okonkwo. You embody the notion of duality of existence.